Hey everyone, welcome to your 30-day weight loss plan. Let's start fresh this morning. Imagine losing up to 6 kilos in just 30 days. Without starving yourself, without spending hours in the gym, and without giving up your favorite foods completely. Sounds unrealistic? That's exactly what I thought. Until I tried this. Most people fail at weight loss because they either diet too hard or give up too soon. But in this video, I'm going to give you a simple 30-day system that anyone can follow. No shortcuts, no magic pills, just a plan that actually works. Let me guess, you've tried dieting before. Maybe you skipped meals. Maybe you joined a gym for a week. And then life happened. And suddenly, you're back to square one. That's because most plans are not sustainable. But this one is different. This plan works in 4 phases. Each week has a specific goal. Meal prep makes success simple. Lace up, small steps add up. Choose smart snacks over junk. Stand taller as energy returns. If you follow this step by step, your body has no choice but to change. Week 1 is where everything begins. This is not about losing fat yet. It's about fixing your habits. Week 1, reset your habits. Cut sugar and liquid calories. Build simple, balanced plates. Drink at least 1 liter of fluids more. Move daily. Track your steps. Now, quick beginner workouts. Aim for easy walks outside. Add light body weight moves. In just 5 to 7 days, you'll notice something powerful. You'll feel lighter, less bloated, and more in control of your cravings. Now your body is ready to burn fat. This is where most people start seeing real change. Week 2, focus on protein. Prioritize eggs, lean meat, salmon, chicken, or tofu. Swap starch for extra veggies. Sip green tea or black coffee. Workouts. Short, intense sessions. Do a quick HIIT finisher. Plus brisk daily walks. By the end of week 2, your clothes will start fitting differently. That's your sign. It's working. This is the most important phase. Because now, your body starts burning calories even at rest. Week 3. Fine-tune nutrition. Keep plates colorful and protein-forward. Add seeds, nuts, and olive oil. Skip packaged, ultra-processed snacks. Workouts. Strength plus intervals. Control each rep. Feel the back work. Alternate planks with light jogs. This is when you'll look in the mirror and actually see the difference. This is where everything comes together. Week 4. Lock in the habits. Prep meals for the whole week. Season lightly. Watch the salt. No cheat days this week. Time to train with intent. Superset squats with quick intervals. Finish strong. Count down your last reps. By now, people around you will start noticing your transformation. If you want faster results, do these simple things. Take a short post-meal walk. Eat slowly and mindfully. Close the kitchen after dinner. Track weight, tape, and take photos weekly. These small habits make a big difference. If you follow this properly, you can lose around 3 to 6 kilos in 30 days. But more importantly, you'll build habits that keep the weight off permanently. This isn't just about losing weight. It's about taking control of your life. 1 month of discipline can change your entire year. If you're starting this today, comment day 1 below and subscribe because I'll guide you through every step.